Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play F122. Start by familiarizing yourself with the basic controls. Use the right trigger for acceleration and the left trigger for braking. Steering is crucial, so practice smooth inputs. Many players find a controller's haptic feedback helpful for precise control. Experiment with different camera angles to find what works best for you, whether it's cockpit view or a chase camera. F122 offers many driving assists to help you. Traction control, anti-lock brakes, and a racing line assist can make learning easier. As you improve, gradually reduce these assists for more control and faster lap times. Don't forget to experiment with your car's setup. Small changes to aerodynamics or suspension can significantly impact performance on track. Race strategy is vital for success. Plan your pit stops based on tire degradation and fuel consumption. There are 3 main tire compounds: soft, medium, and hard, each offering different grip and durability. Practice your pit entry and exit to save precious seconds. Also, learn to manage your energy recovery system, or ERS, for strategic boosts during the race. Once you've mastered the basics, delve into advanced techniques. Trail braking helps you carry more speed into corners, while precise throttle control prevents wheel spin. Learn to deploy your drag reduction system, or DRS, on designated zones for extra speed. Dive into the career mode to build your legacy, or create your own team in My Team mode.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.